Woodworking is an important job, since most of the things from doors, drawers, cabinets, and even houses are made out of wood. Hence, being someone who's good at woodworking is a huge plus. But what if you're not that good at it? Fret not. With these amazing tools from Wolfcraft, you'll be the first person everyone calls to help them out with their woodwork. From lifting and moving over 200 kilograms on your own, to making all your screw joints practically invisible. Check out these 25 Wolfcraft woodworking tools you will regret not buying sooner. Let's begin. You're in your garage, ready to tackle your next project, and you unfold the Wolfcraft Master 600 Workbench. This sturdy table boasts a height-adjustable work surface, ranging from 78 to 95 centimeter, ensuring you can work comfortably whether standing or sitting. The worktop, made from eco-certified MDF wood, measures 65 by 42 centimeter, providing ample space for your tasks. Need to tilt the table? No problem. The Master 600 allows continuous tilting up to 65 degrees, accommodating various project needs. Plus, with a maximum load capacity of 120 kilograms, it's robust enough for heavy-duty work. When you're done, the quick folding system lets you store it away without much hassle. And here's a nifty feature. There's a magnet in the MDF board for storing screws and nails, so you won't lose those tiny essentials. With the Wolfcraft Master 600, your DIY projects just got a whole lot smoother. You know that feeling when you're assembling furniture and wish you could make invisible joints like a pro? That's where the Wolfcraft Undercover Jig Set steps in. Whether you're a DIY rookie or a seasoned woodworker, this kit makes creating strong hidden connections ridiculously easy. It comes with a jig, drill bit, depth stop, and a few screws to get you started. Setting it up is a piece of cake. Just clamp it down, adjust the depth, and drill your way to smooth and hidden joints. You'll feel like a carpenter from a home makeover show, minus the cameras. It's compact, easy to use, and doesn't break the bank. Whether you're fixing that wobbly chair or building a custom shelf, this little tool is about to become your workshop MVP. So, you've finally decided to tackle that bathroom grout that's been staring at you for months, huh? Enter the Wolfcraft Joint and Grout Smoother, your new secret weapon. Designed to give your tiles that professionally finished look without breaking a sweat. It's got two flexible edges, so whether you're working on narrow joints or wide ones, this smoother's got you covered. The ergonomic grip feels great in your hand. No awkward hand cramps halfway through the job. Plus, it's compact and light, so you can maneuver it easily, even in tight spots. And let's be real, who doesn't love a tool that makes a messy, tedious task quick and easy? With the Wolfcraft Grout Smoother, you'll be showing off those tiles like you just had a pro remodel your space. You know those moments when you're in the middle of a project and your dull blade is practically mocking you? That's why you need the Wolfcraft Snap-Off Blade Knife. It's not just a knife, it's a precision tool. The snap-off design means you always have a razor-sharp edge ready to go. No more wasting time on sharpening. Plus, the ergonomic grip is super comfortable, so you're not fumbling or feeling like it's going to slip mid-cut. Whether you're slicing through cardboard, trimming wallpaper, or cutting rope, this knife makes it all feel like butter. And it's durable and lightweight, so it's easy to stash in your pocket or tool belt. Once you've used it, you'll wonder how you ever survived without one. You ever try drilling a straight hole by hand and end up with something that looks like a toddler's art project? That's where the Wolfcraft drill stand comes in to save the day. This tool turns your handheld drill into a mini drill press, giving you precision and control you didn't know you needed. The sturdy cast aluminum base keeps everything stable, and the depth stop ensures you don't drill halfway to the Earth's core. Plus, the adjustable holder works with most standard drills, so no need to buy anything fancy. It's perfect for angled drilling too, with the ability to tilt up to 90 degrees. Whether you're working on wood, metal, or even plastic, this stand makes your work look clean and professional. Trust me, once you've used it, freehand drilling will feel like a bad memory. It's like having a workshop upgrade without the price tag.
Now let's talk about today's sponsor, TikTok for Business. It is a global platform designed to help brands like yours become creative storytellers and meaningfully engage with millions of TikTok users. Whether you're looking to attract customers, drive sales, or boost conversions, TikTok's unique ad solutions can get you there. From small businesses to large agencies, TikTok for Business has the tools to help you grow. So why are you waiting? Find the link in the description box and launch your first TikTok campaign today.
Let's be honest, mixing adhesive by hand is messy, time-consuming, and feels horrible. That's why you need the Wolfcraft adhesive mixer in your life. This bad boy attaches to your drill and does all the heavy lifting for you. Designed for buckets holding up to 10 gallons, it's perfect for adhesives, grout, mortar, you name it. The paddle's unique shape ensures a smooth, lump-free mix, so you're not spending half your time fixing clumps. Plus, it's made from durable, high-quality materials, so it can handle tough jobs without breaking a sweat. Whether you're tiling a bathroom or laying a patio, this mixer saves your arms and gets the job done way faster. Seriously, once you try it, you'll wonder why you ever tortured yourself mixing with a stick or your hands. You ever try measuring the inside of a drawer or cabinet and feel like you're playing an awkward game of Tetris with your tape measurer? That's where the Wolfcraft internal dimension adapter swoops in to save the day. This nifty little tool attaches to your tape measure and makes measuring internal dimensions ridiculously easy and precise. No more guessing or doing weird math to figure out the extra length, just hook it up and you're good to go. Whether you're building custom furniture or just trying to make sure that new shelf fits perfectly, this adapter will quickly become your go-to. It's one of those tools you didn't realize you needed until you use it. Trust me, your measuring game is about to level up big time. You know those times when you're trying to glue or hold something steady and it feels like you need 3 extra hands? That's when the Wolfcraft mini spring clamps step in and save the day. These little clamps may be small, but don't let that fool you. They've got a strong grip and can hold materials securely without leaving marks, thanks to the soft, non-slip tips. Whether you're working on a craft project, fixing a broken frame, or even clamping wires in place, these are ridiculously versatile. The ergonomic design means they're easy to squeeze and release, even if you're doing repetitive work. Compact, durable, and surprisingly mighty, these clamps are one of those tools you'll keep reaching for. Picture that you're trying to cut a straight line with your jigsaw, and it's not going that great. That's when the Wolfcraft Jigsaw cutting table comes in clutch. This little table transforms your handheld jigsaw into a stable, versatile cutting tool. It's lightweight but sturdy enough with a steel worktop measuring 12 by 8 inches, giving you a solid platform for precise cuts. Whether you're doing straight cuts, miter cuts, or even freehand curves, this table keeps your jigsaw in place so you can focus on the details. Setting it up is a walk in the park, and it's small enough to fit in smaller workspaces. Plus, it's got a clamping system that works with most standard jigsaws. If you've ever tried making a precise cut and ended up with something that looks like a beaver chewed through it, the Wolfcraft Japanese saw is about to be your new best friend. The pull cut design means you're cutting on the pull stroke, which gives you more control and cleaner cuts with way less effort. The blade is super sharp and flexible, perfect for flush cuts, fine joinery, or those tricky spots your regular saw can't handle. It's delicate, easy to maneuver, and honestly makes you feel like a woodworking samurai. Whether you're trimming dowels, working on furniture, or tackling delicate projects, this saw delivers pro-level results. If you've ever looked at an old scratched-up piece of furniture or woodwork and thought, "I wish I could just make this look new again," then the Wolfcraft Wood Renovation Kit is about to be your new best friend. This kit is magic when it comes to restoring wood surfaces. It comes with a specially designed sanding pad and a series of abrasive discs that make short work of scratches, stains, and even the toughest dirt. The ergonomic handle gives you a solid grip, so you're in control as you work your magic. Plus, it's versatile enough to work on furniture, floors, doors, basically any wood surface that's seen better days. Whether you're breathing new life into an old table or prepping for a fresh coat of paint, this kit makes wood renovation easy and stress-free. If you've ever tried to cut a perfect angle without a guide and ended up with a crooked mess, the Wolfcraft Bevel and Mitre Box is about to be your best friend. This tool makes cutting precise angles easy, whether you're working with trim, moldings, or small DIY projects. The box holds your workpiece securely, so you can focus on making that perfect 45 or 90-degree cut without worrying about the piece shifting. The built-in bevel guide lets you adjust for different angles, giving you even more flexibility. Plus, it's made from durable, lightweight plastic that's built to last without weighing you down. Honestly, this is one of those tools you didn't know you needed until you try it, and then you wonder how you ever lived without it. Picture that you're in your workshop halfway through a project, and the Wolfcraft Mastercut 2500 is your secret weapon. This thing is like the Swiss Army knife of workbenches. Need a saw table? It's got you. A jigsaw setup? No problem. It even works as a sturdy workbench when you just need a reliable surface to hammer out your ideas, literally. What I love is how everything feels thought out. The fold-up design makes it super easy to store, and the whole setup feels solid, like it's ready to handle anything you throw at it. Whether you're a weekend DIYer or someone who just loves the satisfaction of a clean, straight cut, this station makes your project smoother and a whole lot more fun. If you've ever tried to cut a perfect angle without a guide and ended up with a crooked mess, the Wolfcraft Bevel and Mitre Box is about to be your best friend. This tool makes cutting precise angles a piece of cake, whether you're working with trim, moldings, or small DIY projects. The box holds your workpiece securely, so you can focus on making that perfect 45 or 90 degrees cut without worrying about the piece shifting. The built-in bevel guide lets you adjust for different angles, giving you even more flexibility. Plus, it's made from durable, lightweight plastic that's built to last without weighing you down. Honestly, this is one of those tools you didn't know you needed until you try it, and then you wonder how you ever lived without it. So, you're in the middle of assembling that picture-perfect frame, or maybe tackling a DIY furniture project, and suddenly, you wish you had an extra set of hands. Enter the Wolfcraft Belt Clamp with Spring Clamp. This nifty tool boasts a 4-meter-long, 25mm-wide nylon strap that's tough enough to handle up to 120 kg of tension. The robust metal spring clamp ensures your workpieces stay put, giving you the freedom to adjust and secure everything with ease. Whether you're bundling, clamping, or securing items for transport, this belt clamp has got your back. It's like having a reliable workshop buddy who never complains and always holds things together, literally. Picture you're in your workshop, juggling a tricky glue-up, and you reach for the Wolfcraft Pro one-hand clamp. This bad boy lets you apply up to 120 kg of clamping pressure with just one hand. Talk about a grip. Its ergonomic 2-component handle with a soft zone ensures comfort, even during those marathon DIY sessions. The large, rubberized clamping surfaces, boasting a generous 100mm clearance, distribute pressure evenly so your workpieces stay pristine. Got round objects? No sweat, the V-profile groove has you covered. And when it's time to release, a quick lever does the trick. Need to switch to spreading mode? No tools required. Crafted from fiberglass reinforced plastic and hardened steel, this clamp is built to last. Imagine you're in your workshop, trying to drill precise holes at awkward angles, on walls, ceilings, or even round objects. That's when the Wolfcraft TechMobile mobile drilling aid becomes your best buddy. This versatile tool attaches to your power drill, transforming it into a portable drill press. With its integrated V-groove, it securely holds round materials, and the additional handle ensures stability, preventing any wobbles during drilling. The base plate's centering mechanism allows for spot-on hole placement, and the built-in dust extraction port keeps your workspace clean. It's like having a drill sergeant ensuring your holes are straight and true, no matter the surface. Once you start using it, you'll wonder how you ever managed without this handy sidekick. What if you're in the middle of a DIY project, and instead of rummaging through your toolbox for different tools, you whip out the Wolfcraft 13-in-1 multi-tool? This compact gadget is like having a mini toolbox in your pocket. Needle nose pliers? Check. Wire cutter? Got it. Knife blade, saw, Phillips screwdriver, bottle opener, you name it, it's probably on there. The ergonomic design ensures it feels good in your hand, and the included nylon sheath with a belt loop means it's always within reach. Whether you're tightening a screw, cutting a rope, or opening a cold one after a job well done, this multi-tool has your back. It's the kind of tool that makes you wonder how you ever got by without it. So you're about to tackle that big painting or tiling project, and you're dreading the thought of mixing paint or mortar by hand. Enter the Wolfcraft Heavy Duty and Adhesive Mixer. This sturdy mixer attaches to your power drill, transforming it into a high-efficiency mixing machine. With a working diameter of 85mm and a length of 400mm, it's perfect for mixing batches between 5 to 10 kg. The design ensures smooth, lump-free mixtures, saving you time and elbow grease. Whether you're blending paint, mortar, or adhesives, this mixer handles it all with ease. It's like having a sous chef for your DIY projects, making sure everything is mixed to perfection. When you're tackling a home improvement project and you need a reliable caulking gun that doesn't take up half your toolbox, that's where the Wolfcraft MG 310 Compact Caulking Gun comes in. This lightweight and compact tool is designed to fit into even the smallest spaces, making it perfect for on-the-go tasks. With a quick change holder, swapping out 310ml cartridges of adhesive, silicone, or acrylic is a breeze. It delivers a solid 160 kg of pushing pressure, ensuring smooth application every time. The 360 degrees rotating grip sleeve allows you to adjust to the best working angle, and the automatic drip stop function prevents any unwanted oozing, keeping your work clean and precise. You're trying to move that bulky dresser or awkwardly shaped piece of furniture, and it feels like a battle of wills. Enter the Wolfcraft Furniture Dolly, your new best friend for heavy lifting. This thing is pure genius. It's got a load capacity of up to 200 kg, so you're basically the Hulk when you're using it. The platform splits into two smaller dollies for extra flexibility, perfect for oddly shaped items. The non-slip coating ensures your furniture stays put while in transit, and the smooth casters make moving around a breeze, even on tricky surfaces. Whether you're rearranging your living room or helping a friend move, this dolly saves your back and your sanity. That was our video on the 25 Wolfcraft woodworking tools you will regret not buying sooner. Which one do you think would be the best tool for you? Let us know. And subscribe and click that bell so that don't ever miss a single video. See you next time.